All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Now, I know we're seeing some red on the screens today. We've got Bitcoin pulling back from its all-time highs that it made in July, but I want to keep everything in perspective as altcoins are dragging down as well. This volatility that we see today is a huge buying opportunity. The way I see it is that historically these dips that we see anywhere between 10% or 30%, in altcoins, they've been chances to accumulate the best coins at low prices before the next run. And just as importantly, as the market consolidates, Ethereum's ETF inflows have notched 20 straight days of positive inflows. That means smart money is continuing to buy Ethereum, and the strength in the market is there. And altcoins, I think, are going to have a really good, strong sort of wave in that wake. But I want to focus on the biggest, most bullish news that I've seen in crypto in years. It's that freaking regulatory clarity is finally here with the SEC chairman Paul Atkins just yesterday revealing his project Crypto. It's a sweeping initiative, and it's about to end years of ambiguity in the digital asset space. Because for years, I know personally, investors, builders, we've all wondered if this, entire crypto market is really going to catch a break. And we finally have the answer. A lot of investors, a lot of lawyers, a lot of issuers of tokens, right? People who create the tokens, the developers, they've always had these questions around, is the token a security? Is it a commodity? Is it something else? Can I issue the token? Can I stake it? Can I custody these digital assets without crossing legal lines, basically? And Project Crypto, by the SEC, is set to answer all those questions. They're working to provide clear, practical definitions, exemptions, safe harbor rules that are going to finally give American innovators and builders and entrepreneurs and investors and all this stuff the certainty that we've all been asking for, okay? We're talking about rules for everything. Tokenization of real-world assets, stable coins, DeFi, staking, self-custody, all that stuff. Okay, so it's really important that we have sort of a top-down approach there. And more than that, we have the White House as well, who just issued a massive 160-page digital asset crypto report. This was the White House's roadmap to a full sort of comprehensive sort of package for crypto. And the message was very clear that America needs to be the leader here. In the days of sort of being in limbo and, second and third place to Iran and Russia and China and all this stuff, who are actively crushing it in the crypto world, what we're seeing now is America saying, hey, we're going to actually take the lead, and we're going to give you clear rules of the road. And this is what's really, really important. And so we're seeing a lot of action in the markets based on this. There's a lot of volatility. But it's good news, right? The SEC also approved in-kind creations and redemptions for crypto, ETPs, ETFs, right? So that means the ETFs that you're trading are going to be backed by actual crypto, not cash substitutes. That's a really, really important thing. And it's going to make spreads lower, more liquidity, better fees. The funds are just going to be more efficient. And the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange and the SIBO are all racing to adopt what I would say like generic listing standards for crypto ETFs. And in fact, there's about 50 ETFs that everyone from institutions to retail are probably going to be able to get access to over the course of the next 12 months that have altcoins in them. And if you want more proof that the line between traditional finance and crypto is dissolving and crypto's taking over, look no further than JP Morgan Chase's new partnership with Coinbase. This was like incredible news. For the first time ever, a major US bank is directly integrating with a leading crypto exchange. That makes it easier for millions of people, I think 80 million people that use Chase, to move seamlessly between their bank accounts and their crypto accounts. So that's insane. That's a lot. So while prices are cooling off, the foundation for the next stage of the bull market is being built right here, right now. And I don't want you guys to capitulate and sell. I want you guys to be buying, because the regulatory fog is lifting. Institutions are buying. TradFi is buying. And to me, it's a real landmark moment for crypto's mainstream adoption, as we have, again, the Genius bill that's being signed, all these things from the SEC and the CFTC and the White House. I mean, this is a real big moment for the crypto market. And so despite the price fluctuations, volatility coming up, prices moving down and up, stay focused on the long term, stay informed, okay? Because the markets will, I think, are going to be rallying extremely hard here over the course of the next, the end of the year, right? Throughout the rest of the 6 months of the year. I think August, right? August historically has been a tough month for crypto. And in fact, it's even a tough month for the stock market as well. I think I'm trying to remember the stat exactly. It was by a guy named Ryan Dietrich from Carson Investment Group. He's brilliant technical analyst and all this kind of stuff. He had this great chart that showed basically in the second term, I think it's in the second term of a president, that August has never been positive in the stock market. So it's like there's that trend of, maybe it's a superfluous trend, maybe it doesn't, hold water, but we'll see. So while August could be a little rocky, again, we're seeing prices pull back. That long-term vision, if you guys stay focused on that, is where you're going to make the most of your returns. And so it's still a really, really, really good time, in my opinion, to be a buyer of fundamentally strong altcoins, because I think they're going to reprice higher as Bitcoin kind of finds its footing. Altcoins will find its footing, the market's going to rally. So I'm extremely optimistic, especially with all the institutional and sort of policy backing support here for the crypto market. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the crypto market update. I hope you are not panicking. I hope you are just relaxed, cool, hopefully deploying some cash that you have on the sidelines for these sharp discounts like this. But anyhow, that's all I have for you. Take care, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, and also real quick, if you guys don't already have a service where you could subscribe to and get actionable market insights, data, videos, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, research reports, and on and on and on, a group of over 10,000 crypto traders and investors all sharing their insights. If that sounds cool and it sounds like something you're interested in, then I got a deal for you, because for $1, I'll give you a 1-week trial to Crypt Nation, okay? So you come on in, you check out what we're working on. We'll share some top picks and some great insights with you. Happy trading. We'll see you guys soon.